Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Dan here, and today we are talking about the most crazy, insane supercar sounding exhaust brand on the planet. You might take a couple guesses. Go ahead. We'll wait. Nope, none of those. It is a small outfit in the heart of Hiratsuka City that lies east of Mount Fuji and southwest of the concrete jungle of Tokyo. We're talking about none other than Brilliant Exhausts. Brilliant Exhaust was founded by President Makoto Sasaki, as he believed that many of the exhaust systems out there for these supercars had some sort of compromise in terms of productivity and cost. He wanted to deliver an exhaust system that had owners feeling like they got the real thing. This is the foundation of how Brilliant Exhaust was born. In his former life, Mr. Sasaki used to work at Yoshimura, Japan, known for their extensive catalog of motorcycle exhaust and header pipes. They built everything from super bikes to dirt bikes under the Yoshimura brand. Here he learned the art of making hand-bent exhaust systems that fed his desire to let people experience the sound of a real exhaust. Mr. Sasaki's shop used to focus on making one-off custom fabricated parts for his local high-end clientele in Japan. Building things in his workshop like manifolds and mufflers and all types of custom exhaust components. One day a customer brought his Mercedes S600 V12 to Mr. Sasaki because they just couldn't get the sound they wanted. After some trial and error, Mr. Sasaki completed the S600 V12 exhaust, which delivered a true F1 car sound that was like no other. From here, the reputation of what he had done with the S600 spread like crazy to other exotic owners. They too wanted a true F1 sound from their supercar. Each Brilliant Exhaust system maximizes engine performance with a variety of technology to produce the ultimate in high-pitched sound. And from our own experience, Mr. Sasaki is still making some of these himself in the workshop. So what is the brilliant idea? The rear muffler should equal the volume, while the exhaust manifold should equal the sound. The reason for this ideology is that the exhaust manifold is closest to the engine and is the determining factor of the sound. Replacing just the rear muffler will change the sound, but not improve the quality of the sound. For Brilliant Exhaust, each manifold is designed to not tolerate any compromises in design and provide the most in exhaust efficiency. How is this possible? By designing the pipe lengths to be as equal as possible, also known as equal length. With this attention to detail, the gas pedal is now connected to the driver to deliver an overwhelming sense of power, giving you the ideal sound from your vehicle. Unlike other exhaust companies that just pump out the latest and greatest from the factory in stainless steel, each Brilliant Exhaust has its material of construction selected by the sound and performance needs. Brilliant uses materials like titanium and Inconel, and of course they do stainless steel, but they design the system specifically for the material that they want to use. One of the most demanded Brilliant Exhaust system is for the Lamborghini Aventador. Both the SVJ and the SV feature a unique design where the exhaust comes out of the included front pipes into an elephant trunk shape that goes into a cylinder muffler chamber. Utilizing high-quality vacuum-actuated valves to go between race and quiet mode, this system creates a sound like never heard before except in early 90s V12 F1 cars. The install is not for the faint of heart though when it comes to the Aventador, as you're basically taking apart the entire back end of the Lamborghini. So what other awesome exhausts are available from Brilliant? Well, they cover all the top supercars. This includes models like the McLaren 720S, McLaren 570S, Lamborghini Performante, Lamborghini STO, Ferrari 488 Pista, Ferrari F430, Porsche 991 GT2 RS, Porsche 991 GT3 RS, Aston Martin, MC20, and so many more. Hope you guys enjoyed this video about Brilliant Exhaust of Japan and the little history that we could provide. We know not everyone can afford a $9,000 exhaust, let alone a supercar, so for the rest of us common folk who love fast cars and awesome sounds, check out our other exhaust systems available for your car or truck here at Vivid Racing. Thanks guys for watching, we'll see you at the next one.